Hello folks, this is Les Goldstein, President of Personal Financial Strategies Incorporated, located in beautiful Park Ridge, Illinois, with our November 2013 Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll discuss some of the important events that moved markets in November. We'll also talk about what investors can expect in the days and weeks ahead. At the end, please listen for a required disclosure statement from our broker-dealer, Sigma Financial Corporation. November turned out to be a banner month for stocks. This was welcome news to investors after the volatility of October. Markets tallied their third straight month of gains, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 closed out on the month on an 8-week winning streak. For the month, the S&P 500 gained almost 2.8%, the Dow gained almost 3.5%, and the NASDAQ gained almost 3.6%. Economic data caused a lot of volatility in November. Investors got their first look at third quarter gross domestic product estimates, which showed the economy expanding by 2.8%, much higher than expectations, although overall spending was still somewhat anemic. The October jobs report showed that unemployment increased just slightly and that we were at 7.3% unemployment. As you know, Illinois is of course worse than that, almost 8.9% unemployment here in the state of Illinois. So far, it's hard to know how the government shutdown may have affected numbers. Earnings season wrapped up in November, and our overall verdict is that third quarter earnings have been pretty good, especially relative to the last few quarters. There still isn't a lot of growth out there, but company management is doing a good job of under-promising and over-delivering, leading to some solid earnings reports. Estimate for total earnings growth suggests that S&P companies, Standard & Poor's companies, were able to eke out 4.9% earnings growth on 3% higher revenues. So these companies, the large companies, are more profitable than ever. As we've seen in previous quarters, companies are deriving a lot of their profits from cost-cutting measures and productivity increases, which will hopefully benefit them when demand turns around and increases. We don't have solid data yet for Black Friday, although the National Retailer Federation estimates that approximately 140 million shoppers hit U.S. stores over the Thanksgiving weekend, slightly more than the 139 million that turned out in 2012. Holiday shopping accounts for about 20% of retail sales for the year, which puts the pressure on to get consumers through the door. 2013 is unusual because there are fewer shopping days, less than 30 days between Thanksgiving and Christmas, and retailers are slashing prices to attract shoppers. While it's hoped that these efforts will bring in more business, it could have significant effects on retailer margins. As we move into December, traders will be monitoring economic data closely before the mid-December Federal Reserve Open Market Committee meetings. The Fed has repeatedly stated that they intend to let data guide their decision about tapering, or this quantitative easing that's been going on now for a long time. What this means is that positive economic data may cause investors to pull back in anticipation of a December taper. Certainly we hope the market rally keeps up through the end of the year, and volatility around the Federal Open Market Committee meeting and anticipation of the next round of budgetary debates in Washington may make it tough for stocks to continue their winning streak into December. As always, we'll continue monitoring events and work to place our clients in the best position for success in the upcoming new year. Just a couple of announcements. We will be building a calendar of educational and social events for all Personal Financial Strategies clients for 2014. We will be sharing that calendar with you shortly. One of the upcoming events will be a series of state-of-the-market addresses that we will be conducting here in the office and potentially in some banquet kind of facilities in the area. So stay tuned for the 2014 Personal Financial Strategies Incorporated calendar of events. Once again, this is Les Goldstein with Personal Financial Strategies Incorporated. Our broker-dealer is Sigma Financial Incorporated out of Ann Arbor, Michigan, signing off for the month of November 2013. I hope you found this commentary to be interesting and informative. I would love to hear what you have to say, so please contact me at 847-268-3670 with your comments. That's 847-268-3670 with your comments. If you have any questions about what you've heard in this update, or you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, reach out to me at your convenience. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you very much. And for our required disclosure, while we believe that the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or solicitation of a purchase or sale of any investment security. Please consult with us prior to making any investment decision. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.